The old harbour of Genoa glows softly under a velvet night sky, where the silhouettes of ancient warehouses and weathered masts drift against the calm water. Lanterns along the quay cast a warm amber spill, reflected in shimmering ripples that whisper of voyages past. A distant hum of conversation and the occasional clink of glass rise from the trattorias, blending with the faint scent of salt and diesel. The fortress-like silhouette of the lighthouse watches over a harbour that never truly rests, inviting glimpses of history, mystery, and the quiet poetry of a city that sleeps with its sea.